Good morning, boys and girls. I wanted to come on and do a little video about the maze grammar assignment that I have for today. I hope that it's fun, something different. If you need help, let me know. But I just wanted to show you real quick what you're supposed to do. Okay, so on your card, at the top left, there's an S, and then the bottom right, there is an F. That stands for start and finish. So you are trying to highlight what nouns you see going from start to finish, okay? So if I look at my first choice, I have flower, wacky, or lick. Well, flower is a noun, okay? However you want to mark it up or highlight it is fine. Then I have either cow, wacky, or tender, okay? Well, I know that cow is a noun. Then you just keep going. It might not be like straight down the column. You might go to the right and then down and then to the right and then down and then across, okay? Then I have game, right? Because that is a noun. All right. Now, long, well, that is an adjective. So what are my other choices? I have arm or often. Well, arm is a noun. Then I have hill, often, measly. Hill is a noun. So then you keep going. So you're trying to get to the finish, right? Finding the nouns as you go. So I'm going to put different mazes up, okay? I'm going to put a noun, an adjective, and a verb, and I'm also going to include the answer key so you can go back and check over and see how you did. I hope that it's fun. Try your best, okay? And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.